1955 Bel Air. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 55 Bel Air. Two-door, hard top. Finished in this custom color, which looks fantastic. It looks maroon in certain angles, and other angles you get a little more red with a little bit of purple in it. Or not purple, pearl in it, excuse me. Most recent owner had it frame off restored, and he told me there's less than 100 miles on the build. Almost everything's new, especially when you look underneath it. Every nut and bolt underneath the car is new, and that looks fantastic. But as always, I'm going to go around it, point out what I see, and then we'll drive it. Start here in the front. Like I said, almost everything on the car is new. Some of the things that are not new, looks like some of the bumpers, there's just a little bit of marking on it that you see there. I mean, these both look new, of course. And then here you see a little bit of marking on it as well. And over here. But these bezels, they look like they've been replaced. And then the teeth here, you see some marking on it. These don't look to be replaced. But this has been replaced. Looks like the window moldings have. Other things like that as I go around. So let's show you the hood fitment here, which is the way it should be. There's really not too many flaws on the car. And of course, when I get to them, I will show you them. It's powered by, and let me get this right here, it's a 350 Ramjet fuel injection crate motor, 351 horsepower. I was just looking around, and it's about 7,200 to buy, which is pretty cool. Power brakes with front disc, which are Speedway front disc. Aluminum radiator. Electric fan. And nice that they put a battery shutoff in here so it doesn't go dead. Trim tags in place. Another nice sign. The firewall. Beautifully painted, as well as the underhood here. Pretty much what you would expect. And overflow, a little custom. Jack Daniels. And that's a glass bottle, not plastic. So he went all the way. But it's turnkey, which is pretty much what you would expect for the car. Being fuel injected and a new crate motor. And again, anything else that I kind of think about as I'm going along the way, I'll tell you. I mean, look, every bolt down the side is new. They've dismantled, painted, put back together properly. Hinges, hinge bolts, all that kind of stuff. The trunk latch there, all that. So we'll go down the driver's side. Brand new 17-inch US mag wheels with tires. Just put on the car. All the glass is in excellent condition, and which is pretty much what you would expect. Like I said, this is very nice. This is nice. This is nice. Functions the way it should. It opens when the door opens. Same thing there. Your door fitment. Mostly nice, I would say. I'm seeing, I know this is a piece of dust right there. Smallest little chip right there, and you barely even notice that. Front door fitment, awesome. So let's go inside. First off, I wanted to say maroon with the gray wheels and the white, those are my college colors, and it's just a great look. But anyway, that's irrelevant. All the interior, new. Door panels, carpet, seats. Headliner. Automatic transmission, which is a 700 R4 with overdrive. Weather stripping's new. You name it. And you see all the new nuts in there and all that kind of stuff. There's your VIN tag is in place. It's painted over, but it's in place. Your seats are pretty much perfect. I love that they went with a factory style. A little up close and personal here. All the trim is new. The paint on the dash, that's beautiful. The glass, there's me in that. That's obviously new. You got your low car shifter down here for the automatic. And again, carpet brand new. That's awesome. I have a new set of carpet mats in the back, and they're so nice. I thought I'd just, include them. A lot of people use them anyway. I always take them out. Back seat, awesome. Door panels, awesome. Both working dome lights. Headliner, new with all new trim up there. Awesome. Let's keep going. And there you go. Closes the way it should. Top of the car, as you would expect, just as nice as the rest of the paint here. You got your back deck with 2 speakers for the Pioneer radio that you saw on the dash. We're about here where I left off. Show you the lowers all the way up. Again, not too many flaws on the car. Same thing goes for the back bumper. You see just a little bit of marking on it. This is new again. This is new. And the same thing goes for these. These look to be not replaced. So majority of the exterior has been replaced. Oh, let me go with the trunk fitment here, which, as you see, looks pretty good. And I know the Tri-Fis are known for slamming and getting chips in the corner. That has not happened yet, and I will not be the one to do it. Oh. And then I see here just a few, it looks like a few marks on just the bottom of the lip there in the paint. Open the trunk. Brand new trunk mat, brand new carpet mat, trunk lid, painted the rest of the car like the rest of the car with new weather stripping that you see. I got the sun in my eyes, new again. So yeah, not too much to see in here. Pull that out and then keep going. Show you this side quickly. Okay, and then the worst part of the car is, for some reason, and you can't even see it because I got the shade on it, just a little bit, you see right there, a little bit of raising. That's the worst part of the car. So I do have a can of paint for the car, like what the paint that was used, so if you wanted to fix that, of course you can. Oh, and then here's, looks like a little chip that's been touched up right there. And then the door just kind of sticks out a little bit in this bottom corner. I'm sure that could be brought back in. I don't know if I mentioned it, but this trim there, this is new on both sides. And again, if I missed any information, I'll have that in the ad. I'd like to think I checked off all the boxes as I was going around. Again, new bolts, new weather stripping, new door panel, all new handles, new trim on the door panel. This is painted, of course, like the rest of the car. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, let us know. Zoom out. 55 hardtop, which was recent frame off restored with a fuel injected 350, 351 horsepower Ramjet crate motor. 700 R4 automatic. Power brakes with front disc. Aluminum radiator, electric fan, and yeah, so we will wrap this up here in just a little bit. We'll fire it up and you can hear it run and then see it drive. You can see the bolts in there too. Thank you.